Welcome to Shenzhen Hongjia Glass. Hongjia Glass, with 19 years of expertise in architectural glass exports, prioritizes customer satisfaction. L800 SKM office relocation in 2023 underscores our commitment to excellence. Specializing in customized decorative glass solutions and metal accessory procurement, we bring customers' concepts to life through meticulous collaboration and advanced technologies. Hongjia Glass acquired our factory from a previous owner, inheriting a wealth of experience. While retaining the original name, we implemented our own management approach. As skilled artisans and advanced production lines ensure that our products consistently meet the highest standards. We have embossed sheet bending and tempering technology that is rare in the industry. Stringent quality control measures, overseen by our QC, ensure flawless products before shipping. Situated in Shenzhen, a hub for transportation, our factory boasts seamless logistics. Hongjia Glass global portfolio spans hotels, malls, offices, and art installations, cementing Hongjia Glass's reputation for excellence and promising future.